I finally gave this viral 2-ingredient chocolate cake a shot, and honestly, I quite like it. This flourless chocolate cake is more like a rich, fudgy brownie than a cake, which makes it even better.
Yum.
With just 2 ingredients, you will have a super moist, chocolatey treat that is almost too easy to whip up. To make this easy chocolate cake recipe, you need 1 cup or 170 grams of dark chocolate, about 50% cocoa or more. If you want to make it low carb, check the description below for some really good sugar-free chocolate. Put the chocolate pieces in a mixing bowl and then place them in the microwave for about 1 minute. Next, separate 4 eggs, placing the yolks in one bowl and the egg whites in another bowl. Then, beat the egg whites until they become frothy and form soft peaks, as you can see here, which should take just a few minutes. Next, take the chocolate that should be soft enough to mix easily, and using a mixer, beat in the egg yolks until the mixture is smooth and well combined, as you can see here. Now pour in the beaten egg whites and gently fold them into the chocolate mixture until it is just combined, as you can see here. Next, pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Use a spatula to get all of it out, as we do not want to waste any of that chocolatey goodness. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, or until the center is set and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And here it is. You have a delicious flourless chocolate cake that is rich, fudgy, and ready to enjoy. In the original recipe, I did not mention adding extra melted chocolate, but I had some leftover chocolate pieces that I melted, so I poured them on top to make it even richer and more delicious. If you like this 2-ingredient chocolate cake recipe, be sure to check out my latest recipe video here also.